What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's your boy Kevin Love. I hope y'all having a great week, because I am. Tomorrow is Friday. But I wanted to go ahead and pull out my classic Royal Edition for you. Classic, I can't talk for shit. Classic Edition Royal. I got this about 2 years ago. I think I got this one from Facebook Market. I paid like $25 for it, like in 2020. But anyway, not a whole lot to say about it. I got a green one, just like it. I would have bought that one out here, but that's like way in the back of the pile, a vacuum. So yeah, no, I'm not about to do that right now. Anyway, we'll go ahead and show this one. I always like these too, man. Like, these are like literally made to last forever. They are. They're built to last for life if you take good care of them. Here's a closer look at it. All burgundy. Yeah, that's a good one there. That's a good one there. Alright, YouTube, y'all know what to do. Go ahead. Click that notification bell. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Come watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love. Y'all have a good night. Peace.